Hi friends, welcome to International Maths Olympiad videos. Standard 8, Standard 10th, video number 8, Real Numbers, Section C, Achiever. Let's start. Fill in the blanks. Every point on the number line is dash number which may be either dash or dash. See, a number line means what? See, this is a number line. 0 to it goes up to infinity over here and it goes to infinity on the minus side also. So all the numbers on this number line are real numbers, definitely. So first answer is real. Real means what? See, there are two types of numbers always, real and imaginary. Imaginary numbers would always have I in between, means 2 plus 3i, 4 plus 3i, and real numbers means which we normally see. 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever, rational, irrational, both they are there. But both can be shown on the number line. So first answer is real, which may be either rational or irrational, both. Do you know how to show irrational number on number line? Means irrational means where root cannot be removed. Root 2, root 3, whatever. So there is a method. You can check it on Google also. Or simple way is take, suppose I want to show root 3. Then take 2 over here, 1 over here, perpendicular. Then join that hypotenuse, put a compass and the other side on this and mark it on the number line. It will be shown. Next is dash numbers have. To watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10 plus 2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.